Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy red sauce pasta. First, gather your ingredients, including a variety of meats like pork ribs, sausage, and beef short ribs. You'll also need good quality crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and fresh aromatics. This method ensures a rich, deeply flavored sauce that's perfect for a Sunday meal. It's a labor of love, but the results are truly worth the effort. Start by browning your chosen meats in a large, heavy-bottomed pot until they develop a rich, dark crust. This step is crucial for building the foundational flavor of your sauce. Once browned, remove the meats and set them aside. In the same pot, sauté chopped onions until softened, then add minced garlic for about 1 minute until fragrant. Deglaze the pan with a splash of red wine, scraping up all those delicious bits. Now it's time to bring the sauce together. Pour in your crushed tomatoes and stir in the tomato paste, ensuring it's well combined. Return the browned meats to the pot, nestling them into the sauce. Add a bay leaf and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Cover the pot and let it simmer gently on low heat for at least 3 to 4 hours, allowing the flavors to deepen and the meat to become incredibly tender. Once your sauce has simmered to perfection, remove the meats. You can shred them and return them to the sauce or serve them separately. Cook your favorite pasta, like rigatoni or ziti, until it's al dente. Drain the pasta, reserving about 1 cup of pasta water. Toss the hot pasta directly into the sauce, adding a little pasta water if needed to achieve the perfect consistency. Serve immediately with plenty of grated pecorino romano cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.